When you open a browser and type google.com, most people think the browser immediately connects to Google. But internally, something extremely important happens first. Your computer must first answer one question. Where exactly is google.com located? Because computers do not fundamentally communicate using names like google.com or youtube.com. Computers communicate using IP addresses. And this is where DNS becomes extremely important. DNS stands for Domain Name System. DNS is basically the internet's phone book. Humans remember names. Computers use IP addresses. DNS converts domain names into the specific IP addresses computers need. Without DNS, you would literally need to memorize IP addresses for every website. Now, before understanding secure DNS, we first need to deeply understand how normal DNS works. Suppose you type youtube.com. Step 1. The browser checks its local cache to see if it already remembers the IP. If not, the browser asks the operating system, which also maintains a DNS cache. If the OS also does not know, then the actual DNS request happens. Where does your computer send this request? Usually it goes to the DNS server configured in your network, which in most homes is your ISP's DNS server. Now your computer sends a query like, "What is the IP address of youtube.com?" The DNS server replies with the IP address. Now the browser finally knows where YouTube exists. Then the browser starts HTTPS communication. This entire DNS lookup process usually happens in milliseconds. Now let's understand the important problem. Traditional DNS is usually not encrypted. This is a major privacy issue. Traditional DNS commonly uses UDP port 53, and queries often travel in plain text, meaning anyone monitoring traffic can see your requests. Suppose you type facebook.com. Your DNS request literally says, "Please give me the IP of facebook.com without any encryption." This means devices between you and the server, like your ISP, a public Wi-Fi owner, or attackers, may potentially observe these requests. Even if websites use HTTPS, traditional DNS requests may still remain unencrypted. This surprises many beginners. Before the HTTPS session starts, the DNS lookup already happened in plain text. Others still know you are trying to access youtube.com. Imagine connecting to airport or coffee shop Wi-Fi where attackers could be monitoring every domain lookup you perform. Then there is DNS manipulation or spoofing. Suppose you type bank.com. Your computer asks for the IP. Instead of the real IP, an attacker sends a fake one, leading your browser to a fake website. This is why encrypted DNS is so important. Secure DNS means DNS communication itself becomes encrypted, protecting your requests from monitoring and tampering. There are two major secure DNS technologies, DNS over HTTPS and DNS over TLS. Let's start with DOH. DNS over HTTPS, or DOH, sends DNS queries inside encrypted HTTPS traffic, usually over port 443, the same port used by secure websites. Now, network observers mostly see encrypted HTTPS traffic to a DNS provider. They cannot easily read the actual DNS query contents. Internally, when you type instagram.com, the browser creates an encrypted HTTPS request and sends it to a secure DNS provider. Example providers include Cloudflare, Google DNS, Quad9, and NextDNS. They decrypt the request and resolve the domain. The provider sends an encrypted response back. Secure DNS mainly protects the communication between your browser and the DNS provider. A major misconception: secure DNS is not a VPN. It does not hide your IP, encrypt all traffic, or make you anonymous. Even with secure DNS, your traffic passes through your ISP. They may still see which IP addresses you connect to and infer what services you use. Historically, SNI could also expose domain names. Newer technologies like ECH are improving this, but secure DNS alone is not a total solution. Now, for DNS over TLS, or DOT, like DOH, it encrypts traffic, but it uses a dedicated TLS channel, usually on port 853. To compare, traditional DNS is plain text. DOH is inside HTTPS traffic. DOT is inside a dedicated TLS connection. Both aim for privacy. Browsers prefer DOH because it blends with normal web traffic, making it harder to block or inspect. It looks like regular HTTPS. Modern browsers like Chrome and Firefox support secure DNS. When enabled, they bypass ISP DNS and communicate directly with providers like Cloudflare. In enterprise environments, companies may disable secure DNS to monitor for security, malware, or content filtering purposes. Performance-wise, Secure DNS might be slightly faster or show no difference. The main benefit is privacy and security. It ultimately changes who you trust. Without Secure DNS, you trust your ISP. With it, you trust your DNS provider. To summarize, DNS converts names to IPs. Secure DNS encrypts that process. Benefits include better privacy and protection from manipulation on public Wi-Fi. Understanding Secure DNS is critical as the web moves toward encryption. Thanks for watching. Reach us on Instagram and Telegram for mock interviews. See you next time.